Hi everyone, this is Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I'm going to show you how to propagate a tomato plant, how to take a branch, root it, and plant it while it is still on the plant using one of these. Let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is we need to prepare the bottle to take the dirt. So let me show you how I prepared it first, and then I'm going to show you how it works, and I've already done it today with two others. So starting right from the beginning, we have a bottle that has the water in it. It's like 90 degrees outside, so you need to start that way. Now what I do with the bottle, take some scissors, and you're going to need to cut it, see, right down the middle. So we're going to start just like this. Oops, dripping. Cut it right down the middle. So you're splitting it in half. Okay? So I've cut it right down the middle, right from the front here. Now I'm going to cut the bottom off. So now you can see what I've done here is there is no bottom on the bottle. Take off the label. There's no bottom on the bottle, no top, and you can see you split it right apart right here. This is going to go around the stem of the plant. You're going to see this in a moment. So this is the stem of the plant. It's going to go around the stem, so you have the sucker branch going right in here, and it's going to stay right on the plant. So the sucker branch is going to go right in here, come right out through. Okay, now the branches that I have this on already have flowers, and by the time this is ready to cut off and put in the dirt, it'll probably already have tomatoes on it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take dirt, put dirt in around here. This is going to be taped back closed so it doesn't open, so just take some clear tape and put it around. And I'm going to leave this video I guess I can say unedited until the roots have actually come out so you can see them. You should be able to see the roots while it's on the plant coming out and actually touching. That's why I use a clear bottle. Once you see the roots, all you do is just cut it right down the bottom, cut it right there. Take this off the plant, put it right in the ground. The beauty of it is now the plant will grow. It's already got the flowers, it's got the tomatoes if they've grown on by then, and it hasn't lost any time trying to grow the roots. It's growing and the roots are rooting while the plant is growing. So let me show you how that looks now. I've already done a couple of them, as I said earlier, in my Alaska buckets here, my Alaska grow buckets. So we're going to go to the two that I did earlier. Here's the first one. As you can see, there's the bottle, and it's actually, move closer here, it's actually on the sucker branch, which is the branch going right between the main stem, and this branch came out and the sucker branch started to grow up. So the branch is growing up through here, coming right up through, and if you notice, it has flowers already on it. So what I did was I spread out the bottle, put it around the stem, and then I put soil inside the bottle here, packed it down a little bit, and then just watered it in here. So the roots are going to be coming out, and you're going to see the roots hopefully in about a week or so coming out through here. And then I just cut right down here, cut the sucker branch right off, take it out and plant it right over there in my planting pool. So let me show you another one. Here's another one I did. I did this one a little after. Now this one here, if you look this way, it was kind of going quite a bit to the left. So I tied it up to another branch so it would be aiming upwards. Let me move this. You can see down here. Get a better view. There's the bottom. You can see how it's a sucker branch again. There's the main stem to the right. You can see a branch going off to the left, and the sucker branch is right in the middle. Goes right through the bottle, coming right up here. And if you notice, as we follow it all the way to the end, we also have some nice flowers there. So hopefully, in a couple weeks when the roots are coming out and I'm ready to cut this one and put it in the dirt, we'll already have some tomatoes growing on it. So we're not going to lose any time doing this. I saw this on a site, probably about 2 months ago, before I even started to plant, and I thought it was an amazing way to do it. So I wanted to try it, and I'm excited to see how it works and share it with you. So as soon as they root, I'll add them onto this video, and I'll see you then. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half since I've placed these bottles on the plants to propagate them. And if you remember, the whole idea was to try to get them to root while they were growing, and I said that the flowers would probably turn into tomatoes by the time I'm ready to take them apart. Well, let's see, the flowers have turned into tomatoes. Oops, so there they are right there for this one here, and the other one is right here, and those little tomatoes on the left, let's see right here, have come out of that sucker branch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off the plant, and we're going to see if any of the roots have come out yet, and whether they have or not, I'm going to go ahead and transplant them, and if they haven't, we'll wait a little bit longer on the other one. Okay, so what I've done is I've separated down here, if you can see, my hand's in the way, but I separated it right there, and we're taking the whole plant right out, and I'm going to get it a better place to be able to sit and look at this whole scenario. Okay. Hopefully it'll all come out in decent shape. Now, it started to root, as you can see, but not an awful lot. I didn't wait nearly long enough. So what I'm going to do is put some quick root on it. This take root, and let's see, put some up here. And we'll do the other one in about another week or so. But I just wanted to make sure I get some take root on this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant it over here. Let's see. Have a nice spot right over here for it. Let's go ahead and dig. It's kind of warm in here. Let's see. Nice hole right there. I'm going to put it right down there. As you can see, I buried them in there. You can get a better look at it. It even has a couple tomatoes growing on it, so that saved a lot of time doing that. And I'm going to go ahead and water it, and we'll see how it looks. And in about probably another week, I'll come see the other one, see if we have roots on it. That's it for now. So what I did is, you can see the tomatoes there. I snipped it off right underneath it, a sucker branch, right over here. And we're going to go ahead and take that out and put it on the table so you can see it better. So there's the complete branch. I'm going to go ahead and take off the bottle, and we'll see what it looks like after that. Now, unfortunately, for some reason, there were very few roots, just fine roots coming out of there. So what I did is I went ahead and I got the stalk wet and put it in my take root, and I'm going to go ahead and plant it that way. For some reason, the other one that I took out 2 days ago had some nice roots. This one here, very little, just, things beginning. So for some reason it's not working. I think it was maybe I didn't water it enough. So I have a spot right here. Here's the one I planted 2 days ago. It's still doing good. The tomatoes are there. So I'm going to put it in right here. So there we go. I get it planted right over here beside my cabbage. And for those of you that hadn't seen, I just set this whole kiddie pool over from just being dirt to a capillary system, and which has water inside with cotton strips going out, and the strips go down and basically in between the plants. So you have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.